Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Goodnotes is showing the wrong plan after you upgraded, for example, still showing free or basic instead of premium, it usually means your purchase hasn't synced properly. But the good news is that this is, very common and easy to fix. So first thing first, you have to know that this is fixable. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Goodnotes showing the wrong plan after an upgrade in 2026 quickly and safely. So first thing first, tap restore purchase. Okay, so go to Goodnotes, for example, tap go to settings here. Okay, so then you can see here free. So I didn't upgraded my account, so you have to find here you can find here restore purchases, so tap it, okay, because it forces the app to sync your new plan. So this solves most cases instantly. You can also confirm you are using the correct account, so make sure the account matches the one used for purchase. So it can be Apple ID, Google accounts, Goodnotes, login, because wrong accounts means wrong plan displayed. You can verify your upgrade was successful, so check your subscription. For example, on iPad or iPhone, you can go to settings and then Apple ID and then subscriptions. Okay, on Android, on the other hand, open Google Play Store, tap your profile and look for payments and subscriptions and ensure your new plan is active. If payments failed, upgrade won't apply. Okay, you can after that check internet connection, so you have to use a stable Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode on and then off, because this is needed for syncing plan status. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.